Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's video, we will show you how to hide profile picture in Skype. Open Skype app. Go to the left side panel. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Choose Settings from the list. A new window will open. Select Account and Profile from the left side list. Click on Profile Picture on the right side of the window. Go to Visibility. If you want to hide profile picture, check Contacts Only option. This way, only people in your contact list will be able to see the photo. If you want to unhide your picture, choose Public. This way, every user on Skype will be able to see your profile picture. You can also delete the photo. Click on the profile picture at the top of the window. Choose Remove Photo from the list. Click on Remove in the pop-up window. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!